Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using this Kuka unicorn powder. It's unicorn chrome powder. You can see it there in the container. It's very shiny and shimmery. And I love this powder, but I've got some new pinks that I wanted to test with it and see what they look like. See which is the best pink to put under this powder. So here are the pinks that I'm going to be using. There's a coral one, a baby pink, a neon pink and a neon red. So we'll see which has the best effect. So I've put that on all my pop sticks, and then I've put this, I've put some no wipe top coat on, as you need that for rubbing the powder in. So first it's going to be the coral one, and I'm just using a sponge applicator and just a makeup wedge as well, a makeup sponge. That's going to be used first, and you can see already there's a yellow tinge to that, but I do like the overall look that it gives, but it still has that orangey colour underneath. I know when you put a normal chrome powder over this colour it turns it into that gorgeous rose gold, but it's not done that with this one because this is obviously unicorn powder, it's different, but I still like the look. It's still nice and shiny, shimmery. So I'm just going to put some music on now because this is only a quick video, so I'll just show you all the different colours with the powder over. Some of them I use a silicone tool just to try and burnish the powder in. This is the baby pink, this is a Canni Gel Paint. And as I said earlier, all the colours have got the no wipe top coat over the top. So I will come back to you at the end. So here are all the colours together. I absolutely love the middle two. The baby pink and the neon pink are definitely my favourites. What do you think? What are your favourite ones? Have you used this powder? Have you used these polishes? I do have to say that the polishes are really good. They are so cheap, but they really do work better than any other, you know, expensive brands that you can get, in my opinion anyway. So that is it for this video, just a quick one today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you like this video, click that like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.